everyone, this is Christine Joy and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below para lagi kang updated. So for today's video guys, I am going to show you all on how to create an automation using Zapier. So Zapier is an easy automation for individuals who are very busy. So now let's type zapier.com on our Google search bar. Okay, so if you already have an account on Zapier, just click login. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click sign up, or you can click start free with email or start free with Google. But even if you click either of the three, you will be routed on the same page. So now let's click sign up. Okay, so in entering an email, make sure that it is active. And we also need to enter our first name and also our last name. Then click get started for free. Okay, so now we are going to create our own unique password. Then click get started for free. Then click this one. Okay, so here we need to select our row. So all we need to do is to choose among the choices. So for me, let's have this one. Okay, so here we are asked on what's your company size. So as for beginners, we can select 1 to 49. Okay, so then here we are going to select an apps that is related to our row. So we can select as much as we want, but we can skip this question because it has skip question button here. As for me, I'll click on, let's have Google Drive. Okay, so make sure that you click on the apps that you usually used. Okay, and then after that, just click continue. Okay, so now we are done on creating our Zapier account. Now let's go ahead and try to navigate our Zapier account. But before that, let's go to our Gmail and try to verify our account that we connect on Zapier so that we don't have any problems later on. So let's go to our profile and go to settings. Okay, so it says here you need to confirm your current email address. So let's try clicking this one. Okay, so now it says here confirmation email sent to our Gmail. So let's check our Gmail to confirm. Okay, so here. So I've got an email by Zapier, and now let's click on confirm your email address. Okay, and then it will ask us to log into our Zapier account. Okay, and then click continue. And we also have to enter our password, then click on continue. Okay, and then our email is now successfully linked in on our Zapier account. So now let's go back. So now we have here some popular templates that we can use, or we can start from scratch. So as you can see here, it has a lot of popular templates that you can use. So if you want to use the templates, just click one of these templates, or you can just create your own automation by clicking Zap. Okay, so let's click Zap. As you can see here, we have a co-pilot beta where it will help you creating your automation more easily. Or we can also create our own automation by finding our trigger and our action. So now let's click on trigger. Okay, so now we will select an app that serves our trigger. So for me, I'll choose, let's have Google Drive. Okay, so here it says trigger event. So let's click this one. So there are a lot of options here that you can choose. So let's have new file in folder. Okay, and then for our account, let's just click sign in. And then let's click on allow. Okay, so now our Google Drive is already linked in on our Zap. So let's click on continue. And now we are here on configure or configuration. Let's click on drive. Okay, so select volume for drive. Okay, so let's click on this one. Okay, and then let's click on our folder. Okay, so let's click on VAU activities. So for the third option here, we have three choices. only return deleted files, return both deleted and non-deleted files, or only return non-deleted files. So let's have this one. Okay, then click on continue. So now let's test our trigger. Okay. So you have options here that you can choose. So as you can see here, it has all the information. Okay. So after that, let's click continue with selected record. Okay, so now we are going to choose our trigger app or our action. So let's have Gmail. Okay, so again, action event. We have options here. It's either add label to email, create draft reply, create label, delete email, or remove label from email. Okay, so let's have add label to email. And then here we are going to connect our Gmail. Okay, so now our Gmail is already connected. So let's click on continue. Now we are here on configure or configuration again. So on the label, let's have let's select on inbox, and for the message, so let's click load more. Okay, so let's try to select this one. Okay, and then click on continue. So now let's click test step and then publish. Okay, so it says here Zap published, your Zap is on and using version 1. Okay, so let's click go to home. So now let's try to check if our Zap is already on. So let's just scroll it down, and then here we have Untitled Zap, Google Drive and Gmail, and the status is on. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how we create our Zapier account, and also that's how we create our own automation. So hope you learned from this tutorial of mine, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone, have a great day.